A leadership must be dealt properly in life. A leader has got certain traits. A leader can influence others, impress others, and lead others. Now, how do you think a leader can lead others? A leader can easily lead others with the help of his certain characteristics, certain traits. Maybe his trait is his personality, the kind of aura he has, the way he approaches people, and the way he speaks, the way he answers others. It is also said that a person can be judged whether he is knowledgeable or not by the way he gives answers. Rather, it is just the opposite. The way he inquires, the way he frames his questions. So, you must be aware of the art of framing questions. A leader is somebody who knows the way, somebody who can show the way to the people, somebody who can also be prepared to go through the same way. So, be a good leader in life. Show others the right path, the right way, because this is your big responsibility. So, do it properly and always be very clear with what is it that is making you a good leader. What is the objective? Do you feel happy in being a leader? Do you feel contented that you are doing the right thing? Do you think that whatever you are doing, whatever authority or responsibility you have in life, is it helping people to grow somewhere or the other? So contribute to the society, help people to grow. लीडर इज़ ऑल्सो मेंट टू बी अ ग्रेट मेंटोर. लीडर एक अच्छे गुरु ही नहीं होते हैं मगर एक अच्छे मेंटोर भी होते हैं. तो आप जो भी कुछ लाइफ में कर रहे हैं एज अ लीडर, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर हेल्पिंग पीपल टू ग्रो इन लाइफ. मेक श्योर कि आप कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यूएबल, कुछ वैल्यू एडिशन कर रहे हैं अपनी सोसाइटी के लिए, अपने लोगों के लिए. और सबसे पहले तो be a good human, be empathetic. This will help you to always lead. So leader always leads, leader always impress. Leader is also there to influence people. That are the key things which help a leader to make his followers, because a leader will not be a leader if there is no follower. Okay, so if you want to be a like if you want to lead, if you want people to follow you, then do something what others have not done till date. Do something to help people to grow in life. So I am sure my tips and tricks will help you further to grow as a leader. Be a good mentor, be a good leader. Leader is also meant to be a good speaker, because you need to reach, you need to connect hearts, so that जो भी आप बात बोल रहे हैं वो उनके दिल तक पहुंच जाए. तभी वो उनको समझ में आएगी और तभी वो आपकी बात सुनने की भी क्षमता रखेंगे. बिकॉज अ लीडर इज़ ऑल्सो सेड दैट he should not always speak too much. He should sometimes be ready to stay quiet and listen to the problems. So be empathetic, listen to the problems of your followers, and the same goes for the followers. Followers should be ready to listen to you as a leader. So make sure that they have accepted you as a good leader. Leadership skills are not only essential for the successful people, for the elite class, but I personally believe leader हर इंसान में होता है. तो खोजिए अपना leadership trait. Have a great day.